It's okay.
Oh, we're on. Stop. We're stopping. Hi, I'm Melinda Colettis. My husband, Phil Griffin, although today I really don't want to admit that I'm married to this. Together with Professor Chuck, we teach you how to play with your food. So today we're going to make... Can you stop dancing?
Tequila and lime shrimp.
And it's Friday.
It's Friday.
Yeah, I know it's Friday.
And it's got tequila involved.
Okay. All right.
All right, baby.
Yeah, you're a whack job. All right, so just cook.
All right. So heat up the pan. While we heat up the pan, let's talk about shrimp. When we buy shrimp, we stay away from buying the black tigers that you can find in the market that are a reasonably good price. We like buying what they call Gulf whites. That means they're coming from the Gulf of Mexico, Texas head-on, Louisiana, anything in the North American country, you're going to be getting good shrimp. Those black tiger shrimp are grown in the farm raised, they're grown in brackish water. We've actually seen a video of them shooting the CGC gel into the shrimp to blow them up. We're using U15 shrimp. U15 means the U15 or under per pound.
Can I say something, please?
Go right ahead,
Thank
my
you.
love.
So I am not allergic to shrimp. However, before we learned about not buying the black tigers, when I would clean them, my hands would get on fire. I was fine eating them, but it was burning my hands. When I clean these, we don't get that. And the other thing too is now they're starting to carry, stop it, Ecuadorian or Argentinian shrimp.
Is pretty decent.
And they're pink before they're cooked. So a lot of people are going and buying them, going home and eating them, and they're eating raw shrimp. So just be careful about that.
We're going to peel the shrimp. Hold your fingers right here on the tail. Peel the outside shells. You can save this to make shrimp butter if you want to. Then what we do is we butterfly the back of them.
We're going in by the back, not underneath. If you go under the belly, that's for a big stuffed
And we're butterflying them opening up, so when we cook them, they look a lot fancier. Right, can you rinse those off?
Yeah, right here.
That much.
So do you see this?
That's what you want to remove.
Sometimes it's black. This is a girl, so that's a row. But you're going to want to take out that vein. All right, let me go rinse those.
All right.
I'll be right back.
We're going to be using pepetas, so we put the pepetas in first. We always try to toast them dry.
What's a pepita?
Pepita is a pumpkin shell.
A shelled pumpkin seed. Those happen to be salted. If we can't find unsalted, then I buy the salted ones.
This pan is extremely hot, so they're toasting pretty quickly. 1 canola oil, 2 olive oil. Lower the pan a little bit. Put the shrimp in.
A lot of people ask why we don't use non-stick cookware. Well, the reason is because we cook a little bit differently, and you may want to do this. We heat the pan up, then add the oil, let that heat up, and then add the food. So the way we remember that is hot pan, cold oil, food won't stick. So
why the shrimp is on top of paper towels?
Say it again?
Why were the shrimp on paper towels?
Oh, so we would get a good brown on them. Brown food tastes good, but if it's wet, it's not going to brown. So that's why we always recommend drying off the protein before putting it in the pan. Great.
So we put the pumpkin seeds or the pepitas on top of the shrimp. Let them brown up a little bit. These will cook relatively fast. Alright, so flip them over. So the sauteing, we want to have something to cool our pan down with. Alright, we're going to cool our pan down with some tequila.
Ready? There you go.
All right. Ready? Okay, tequila goes in the pan.
Ooh.
There we go, guys.
Oh, hair. It's not my husband's.
Alright. Put the fire out, put a little bit of lime juice in.
Now your recipe does call for lime zest, which we prefer to use, but we didn't have it. So the lime juice is a stand-in. I would rather not use it, but we didn't have a choice today.
Yeah. These shrimp look like they're almost done.
So quick and easy. We've also done this with salmon, and that works out pretty well.
Gonna put in a knob of butter. Shut the heat off.
So when we shut the heat off, you didn't shut the heat off. And yeah, the butter kind of slowly melts as opposed to quickly, and it gives the sauce a little bit of sheen, and it's a really, the fat hits your tongue, and it's a wonderful thing.
If you like a glowing heat, cayenne pepper is a nice additive.
Chili pepper.
Chili powder.
And that's in the recipe. I believe it says optional.
We actually have done this recipe with these ingredients. We've actually done it poached too.
Oh, that's true too. Yeah, we put all the ingredients in like this and put it in parchment paper and put it in the oven and poached salmon that way.
Looks good, smells good. I think I'm done with the butter.
You think you're done with the butter?
For today at least.
Yeah, you didn't contaminate it, did you?
No, I did.
Okay.
I've been known to take the tongs and just grab the butter.
And I have to clean it because it's contaminated.
It's cross-contaminated.
We have a decent bottle of tequila out, but normally we use like low brand because we're cooking with it. You know,
Yeah.
you don't want to.
Well, that bottle of tequila was stolen from somebody's dorm room, and then we helped clean her out, move her out.
Really?
Oh yeah.
You stole your own daughter's booze?
Yeah.
Yep.
Have you no conscience? Anyway.
All right.
Very good.
Go.
So there we go with that.
Taste the sauce.
Well, it's a little late to taste it because if you're not going to season it, we don't. You proud of yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. So let's talk about wild yeast again. So that's pretty much ready to rock.
It's bubbling and crazy. It went down a little bit from yesterday because we stirred it. But if you look at the liquid, it's got a nice brown color to it. That means
the
yeast is working really good.
Working. So we actually
We're gonna put that in the refrigerator.
Yeah.
And we'll make a bread Monday. I'll make a bread Sunday so we can cook it up on Monday.
So.
All right.
All right. See you.
Next week.
Hold on. Next week.
The next week, I did consult with my partner, so I came up with the menu myself. So for Monday, we're making this from my lovely daughter, the camera person. We're making stuffed mushrooms with the Ritz cracker stuffing. Tuesday is my favorite, banana and rum pancakes. Love them.
Wednesday, crab rangoon.
So simple to make.
Thursday.
Another one of my favorites, butterscotch pudding.
And Friday, shrimp
Scampi.
but no pasta, just the scampi part.
It's going to be just as easy as making this here.
So anyway, we'll see you on Monday. At 5 o'clock.
Other note, I'm going to be making beer and wine this weekend. So it'll be on the Facebook page. We're not going to be live streaming it, but you can see how we make beer and wine on the Facebook page after this weekend.
You didn't consult me with that either. I'm the boss. You're the horse.
Tequila's coming, baby.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.